Hey guys, welcome to the RME channel. This is the first nighttime review of my Mercedes-AMG C43 Coupé. If you have any questions about the car, please don't hesitate to ask. Just comment below and we will get back to you. In case you're wondering, the car is in selenite grey metallic and it's been detailed. So the car is fully wrapped in XPEL PPF and it's also coated with XPEL ceramic coating for that extra protection. As such, unlike most cars on the road, this car absolutely shines during the day and the night, and it's partly due to the XPEL PPF, which absolutely brightens the paint and at the same time it protects it. So we're going to have a look at the interior. And as you can see, during the night, it's just a whole new perspective. So, in front is the digital gauge cluster, followed by a second screen. So there are many features that in later videos we will run through, but this is a good overview of what you can expect when you test drive your very own AMG C43 or C63. From the outset, you've got information about the car's service, assistance settings, performance settings, trip planning, navigation, radio, media, telephone, heads-up display, and design. As you can see, it's got 3 design features. I'm currently in Super Sport, there's Sport, and finally, Classic. It's very conservative, nonetheless, it looks absolutely stunning. So, please like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. More than happy to answer them. And before we end this video, let's give this car a brutal start. I hope you're ready.